It is just a single image. Now, you will see how I convert this picture into a video. We will not write any long prompts. Just watch the demo first. With one click, the video starts. Watch this video carefully. I did not record it in an expensive studio. There was no camera and no studio setup. I created this video using only an AI tool. With this tool, you can not only create videos, but also convert any video into a cartoon with just one click. If you want to make videos like this without writing long prompts, watch this video until the end. There is a link in the description of this video. Click on it to open the Domo AI website. Once the website opens, select text-to-speech. Now, write everything you want the avatar to say in the video. Next, choose a voice from the options below. The best part is that you can also add emotions to the voice. After that, click on Generate and download the audio file. Now, go back to the home page and click on Talking Avatar. Here, choose a picture of yourself. Then upload the audio file that we just created using the same tool. Below this, you can add extra instructions for your video if you want. Next, select the duration of your video and choose the aspect ratio. If you're making a video for YouTube, select 16:9. If you're making a video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, select 9:16. After that, turn on No Watermark and click on Generate Video. Within a short time, your video will be ready. Once it is generated, download the video using the download icon. After downloading, go back to the home page again. Now click on Video to Anime. Here, you will see different types of models. Choose any model you like and upload your video. Just like before, you can add instructions if you want. Then select the video duration and size from the bottom. Finally, click on Generate Video. Apart from this, you can edit any image here using just one prompt. For example, I open a picture of one of my products and give a simple instruction. Now, let's see what this tool can do for me. Along with this, there are many useful AI tools available below. You can try them one by one. The link to this website is in the video description. Click the link to explore and take advantage of these powerful AI tools. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end.